The development of China's Navy has reached a milestone moment. With the commissioning of the Fujian aircraft carrier, fully developed independently and equipped with cutting-edge electromagnetic catapult technology, the People's Liberation Army Navy has proudly entered the era of 3 aircraft carriers. This breakthrough is widely seen as a powerful symbol, after nearly 5 centuries of quiet accumulation since Zheng He's historic voyages in the early 15th century. China's maritime power has once again reached world-class standards. It is emerging as the 5th global naval power in modern history, following Spain, the Netherlands, Britain, and the United States. Named Fujian, this aircraft carrier redefines Asian shipbuilding standards with its remarkable specifications. It stands as the world's largest and most technologically advanced conventionally powered carrier, boasting a full load displacement of 80,000 tons. Unlike the ski jump decks employed by the earlier Liaoning and Shandong carriers, the Fujian features a more modern and operationally efficient flat deck design. 3 electromagnetic catapult rails and 4 arresting wires, clearly visible on the deck, form the core of its combat capability. This advanced catapult system enables carrier-based aircraft to launch with higher operational readiness and fuller fuel/munitions loads. Its overall launch efficiency is believed to surpass that of the steam catapult-dependent U.S. Nimitz-class nuclear-powered carriers. The true power of an aircraft carrier ultimately manifests through its air wing. The Fujian's carrier air wing constitutes a comprehensive, offensive-defensive, airborne trump card combination. Among its assets, the stealth-capable J-35 fifth-generation fighter serves as the core weapon for seizing and maintaining air superiority. Compared to its land-based counterpart, the carrier-based J-35 has been optimized for complex maritime environments, featuring larger wing area and more advanced sensor systems. It represents the future backbone for confronting formidable adversaries in air-sea engagements. The J-15T, the world's only heavy carrier-based fighter currently in service, has overcome takeoff and landing weight constraints through electromagnetic catapult technology. This enables it to operate at maximum fuel and weapons capacity, fully leveraging its inherent advantages of extended range and substantial payload. Additionally, the J-15DT electronic warfare aircraft, dedicated to electromagnetic offense and defense, and the fixed-wing KJ-600 airborne early warning and command aircraft, collectively form the fleet's eyes and nerve center. The KJ-600 significantly extends the fleet's detection range for low-altitude and ultra-low-altitude targets, as well as its command and control capabilities, enabling a qualitative leap in the entire formation's battlefield situational awareness. Analysis indicates that this aerial system, comprising the J-35, J-15T, J-15DT, and KJ-600, already holds significant generational or performance advantages over current U.S. military aircraft like the F-35C, F divided by a -18, E divided by F, EA, 18G, and E, 2D in terms of platform capabilities. In potential future beyond visual range air combat scenarios, the Fujian carrier's air wing, guided by the KJ-600 and protected by the J-15DT's electronic shielding, will leverage dual radar and missile advantages to achieve early detection and first strike capability. The Fujian strike capabilities extend beyond the air domain. The J-15T heavy fighter can carry supersonic long-range anti-ship missiles like the YJ-15, delivering devastating strikes against enemy surface fleets hundreds of kilometers away. The surface and submarine vessels escorting it also represent the pinnacle of China's shipbuilding industry. Believed to have entered service alongside the Fujian are the latest Type 055 10,000-ton destroyers. Dubbed the Blade Sea class by NATO, these formidable warships feature 112 universal vertical launch cells capable of deploying YJ-21 hypersonic anti-ship ballistic missiles with ranges exceeding 1,000 kilometers, making them formidable maritime combat platforms in their own right. Thanks to the continuous commissioning of these new vessels, the Chinese Navy's main surface fleet has achieved a historic leap forward. The total number of active main destroyers and frigates with a displacement of over 4,000 tons has surpassed the 100-ship threshold, reaching 101 vessels. This fleet comprises 9 Type 055 destroyers, 32 Type 052D destroyers, and a large number of Type 054A/B frigates. In contrast, the U.S. Navy's current main surface combatants, the Ticonderoga-class cruisers, Arleigh Burke-class destroyers, and Zumwalt-class destroyers, have dwindled to a total of 83 vessels. Not only has China surpassed the U.S. in numbers, but the U.S. fleet also faces the severe challenges of an aging fleet, inadequate maintenance, and insufficient operational readiness. The long relied upon dual advantages of technological superiority and scale are rapidly eroding. In the underwater domain, the balance of power is undergoing equally profound shifts. The new generation Type 093B attack nuclear submarine, hailed as the underwater 052D, has commenced mass deployment. Equipped with a natural circulation reactor and integrated noise reduction technology, this submarine boasts significantly enhanced stealth capabilities and situational awareness. Its overall combat effectiveness is assessed to be approaching that of the U.S. Navy's early Virginia-class submarines. Capable of carrying YJ-19 hypersonic anti-ship missiles and new heavy torpedoes, the Type 093B can launch lethal strikes against carrier strike groups while simultaneously hunting enemy submarines, fundamentally undermining certain nations' submarine dominance in the Western Pacific. The commissioning of the Fujian marks the maturation of the Chinese Navy's aircraft carrier operational model. The presence of 3 carriers enables a sustainable combat cycle of 1 undergoing maintenance in the shipyard, 1 on standby for training, and 1 deployed at the front, ensuring a powerful carrier force can be present in critical maritime areas at any given moment. Yet this is far from the end. It is merely a new starting point for China's journey into the deep blue. Built upon robust national comprehensive strength and unwavering strategic resolve, it is foreseeable that more advanced, larger tonnage aircraft carriers will join this expanding fleet in the years ahead. 5 centuries of global naval history have witnessed the rise and fall of numerous maritime powers. Today, on the eastern horizons, a new, well-equipped, and dynamic global navy is emerging. This invincible people's navy will undoubtedly serve as the anchor of stability in safeguarding national sovereignty, securing strategic sea lanes, and defending legitimate overseas interests. In this magnificent new era, it is poised to play a pivotal historical role.